Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Training System, and it's Saturday the 22nd of August 2020, and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for the Euro and cable for the 4th week of August. And let's begin with Euro, and after attempting to break out higher above the resistance at the 162 fib extension, it pulled back again and closed back near the open of the previous week as a spinning top with a long wick at the top. So it's still locked in a rectangle with support at the 138 fib extension, and it's set to continue its range for next week unless there's a fundamental shift. So it's also unable to reach the 120 round figure level, and ranging between the 119 and just above the 117 level. It's for the week, on a weekly time frame, it's still in a bullish mode, and it's just a consolidation. The Chico, let me mark this here. Chico span is well above the Kumo. Price is also well above the Kumo, so it's still in a bullish mode. And on the daily time frame, it's also still bullish, but it's just trapped in a consolidation. All right, let's take a look at the cable, and let me clear this first. Cable is also trapped in a range. It attempted to climb up above the resistance at the 162 fib extension and the weekly 200 EMA, but pulled back to close as a long-legged doji and almost a gravestone doji, closing near the bottom part. And support is still going to be at the 130.00 round figure level, and as well as the 138 fib extension. So it's still going to consolidate for the next week. The Chico span is trapped within the price in this area, so it's struggling to climb up higher, even though the price is already above the Kumo, but it's struggling and consolidating for now. Let me clear this. And on the daily time frame, it's really consolidating and alternating every day in a slightly bearish channel. So on a weekly, it's not so clear, but on the daily, you can see that it's just drifting lower. Right, on the daily time frame, it's still bullish with the Chico span well above the Kumo as well. but for now it's just consolidating this until there's a major fundamental shift in the news. So there's also no major news for the Eurozone and for the UK for next week. And the Brexit trade talks are still deadlocked between both sides. So nothing has changed, and it's difficult to see any improvement over the next few weeks. All right, so we'll see if there's any change next week, when which is the last week of the month, and it's likely to just consolidate as well. And do check out my other videos on spot gold and dollar yen, as well as the other major pairs. And have a safe week and a good trading week next week. Cheers for now.